Good morning, ma'am. I am Radiant Villar and I will discuss to you the parts of the floor polisher. This is the control panel, the handle, the switch, the cord hook, the adjustment tube, adjustment lever, the motor, the rubber bump, the vinyl pad, and the last is the transport wheel. Then I will adjust first. Then make sure it is locked.
Any more question? Just dial 0
Then
for the front desk 1, for the hospital 3, for the lobby. Okay. Once again, can you
Pag tinaas, sa papunta pag tinaas. Pag tinaas sa papunta, kanan.
Kanan. Kanan.
Pag binaba, pupunta sa kaliwa.
Kaliwa.
Kaliwa. Pag binaba, pupunta sa kaliwa.
Kasano mo lang yung sir, practice mo lang yung sir. Taga saan ka ba sir? Ano?